Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. And welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will take you through the unboxing process of the Stunt remote control car, showcase its features, and provide an honest review of its performance. This RC car can rotate 360 degrees. This Stunt RC car uses the 2.4 GHz frequency that usually allows several RC cars to race at the same time and place. Guys, let's start unboxing. Please watch this video till the end.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
This Stunt remote control car comes with 3.7 volts rechargeable battery. This remote control car also comes with a 0.5 meter USB charging cable. This Stunt RC car also comes with a 2.4 GHz remote control. It's sleek and ergonomic, perfectly fitting in the palm of your hand. You will need to purchase and install two 1.5 volt batteries of size AA in the remote control. And here it is, the Stunt RC car. This Stunt RC car can rotate 360 degrees. It has a powerful motor, sturdy construction, and big tires. These big tires are built for off-road adventures. There are also two small wheels at the rear of the car. At the bottom of this RC car, you can find the battery compartment and the on or off switch. I charged this RC car for 1 hour and used it continuously, without stopping, for about 1 hour. Let's now give this car a test drive. My friends, I am thoroughly impressed by the performance of this Stunt RC car. It exceeded my expectations in every way. The speed, the handling, and the off-road capabilities are simply outstanding. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, I encourage you to check out my other videos for more exciting content like this.